Now, I'm going to be showing you it's a very good device. Like it can get you to the end like very fast. Okay, place down to you. That it's like a version. It's a version 3 because I did do a different one, and that one I did do that, and the other one I just didn't. In this one I just added that thruster. Right, destroy the seat, and then launch. Right, activate this. Get up, activate that. Now this one isn't going to take you to the end. But we're just going to keep going through these stages. Wait till you get up. It's really good. And I made a version 3 because it doesn't. The version 2 or 1 doesn't take you to the end. Now, actually, what you want to do is just destroy that. I don't know why I turned it off. Just for them. So, if you're a beginner, this is a really good. It's really good. Because you only need one glue block. But you just need one seat, which everyone has. One glue block. And just 2 of these thrusters. You don't have to spend any Robux. And 3 balloons. No, it's very easy. So as long as you stay the faster you go. So, best way. Bye.